Hi, it's Pep from Hankotrade. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to access the charts and how to use some of the most popular technical analysis tools to help you make better trading decisions. We're going to be doing this inside the Hanko Mobile Trader. To access your chart, you're going to head to the bottom menu and click on Chart. So to start off with, you first need to select the instrument you're looking to trade. To do that, you click in the top left hand corner, and here you can start to search the instrument you want to trade. So in this case, I want to trade pound dollar, so I'll simply search for it. Click on pound dollar, and now that's pulled up the chart for pound dollar. So at the moment, I'm looking at the daily time frame, so each one of these candles represents a day's worth of price action, but there are 9 different time frames to choose from. If you click on D next to the ticker instrument here, and then you can select from 1 month all the way down to 1 minute. So if you're looking to more day trade, then I recommend you stick on the 1 hour and below. If you're looking for a more swing trading strategy, then you can stay on the 4 hour time frame and above. So if I simply click on the 4 hour time frame now each one of these candles represents 4 hours worth of price action. At the moment, I'm looking at traditional candlesticks, but you can also change these as well. You simply click on the candlestick icon here, and if you're looking for a line chart, you simply click on line, and that has amended the charts accordingly. You can also have bars as well. So depending on how you want to visually look at the chart, you have a whole host of different bar charts that you can choose from. So I'm going to go back to the traditional candlesticks. You can also customize the look and feel of this chart as well. So if you want to change the background color, the color of the candles, the wicks of the candles, this can all be done in the settings section. So all you need to do is click on this gear icon on the top right hand corner, and here you can change the colors of the body, the borders, the wicks, the last price line. Select back here. Again, if you click on appearance, here you can choose the background color of the charts, the vertical grid lines, the horizontal grid line colors. You can decide if you want the watermark of the instrument you're trading on the background of the charts. So there's a whole host of settings in here to really personalize your chart according to your needs. This gives you a much more better trading experience based on your preferences and the strategy you're trading. So let me show you how to access some of the most popular indicators here in the charts. So you want to click on this symbol here where it has the F and the X. Now let's say I want to add the MACD to the charts. All I simply do is click on the search bar, start typing in the indicator I'm looking for, so MACD. I click on it, and that has now applied the MACD to my chart. So the MACD is a really popular indicator that helps you spot reversals. This is based on the moving averages crossing over each other. Now let's say I want to add a moving average indicator. Again, I click on the FX symbol here. I start typing in moving average. I simply click on moving average. By default, that has added the 9 moving average to my chart. But if I want to amend this, you just simply click on settings. And here you can change the length. So if I want a 20 moving average, I simply tap in 20. Hit OK, and that has amended the moving average accordingly. Now I'm going to show you some popular drawing tools. So the very basics of technical analysis is support and resistance. So to do that, I'm going to click on the lines here, click on horizontal line, and then I can simply tap where I want to plot my support and resistance zones. If I want to quickly clone this horizontal line, I simply click on it, tap on the 3 dots here, and then select clone. So now what I've done is I've added a key support zone and a key resistance zone as well. Now another form of support and resistance is using the trend line. So again, if I click on the line icons here, click on trend line, and again it's exactly the same as plotting a horizontal line. You just simply tap once, tap twice, and that has now added the trend line onto my charts. And then you can simply start to plot your trend line here. What you can also do is favorite some of these drawing tools. So if I click here, let's just say I want to have the long position and short position on. Let's just say I want the long position and short position always hovering on my chart. I simply click on the stars here, and then they're readily available to quickly click on. So let's just say I'm looking to take a long position. Click the long position tool here, add it to my chart. Again, make the relevant adjustments. I can also double click in here to amend some of the coordinates. So the entry price, the profit level, the stop level, and this just helps you enter the figures into the Hanko Mobile Trader when you're looking to place a trade. So I suggest you explore the charts as much as possible. There's a whole host of functionality in here, drawing tools, indicators that's really going to help you become a better trader. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.